Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my carpets. If this is something you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So this is the before of the carpet, and it's not too bad, but there are a couple areas that are high traffic that have some spots on them, as you'll see when the camera pans around. And for this video, I am trying a Pinterest recipe for the carpet shampooer, which you will see coming up. The carpet cleaner I'm using today is a Hoover Dual Power Pro. And these are the ingredients that you'll need: hydrogen peroxide, a fabric softener, dish soap, and here I'm using Dawn, and then some type of OxiClean. And that's how much of each item you will need. So here I filled up the tank most of the way, and now I'm just adding all the ingredients. I did about 8 squirts of the soap. And then just fill it the rest of the way up. And then we're good to go. So this area where I'm starting is the dirtiest. This is where we come in, kick off our shoes, and how we get to our backyard. So you'll see I'm spending the most amount of time here, and I drain the top container of water very quickly. But already you can tell a difference. And here's a little clip to see how it looks so far. Much better. After refilling the container, I continue cleaning the rest of the carpet. Go over the areas I've already done once more, just to suck up any of the excess water that is left in the carpet. So as you can see there in the middle left of the screen are a couple carpet fibers that were left, and I'll go over that here shortly. Guys, look how dirty the water is. Gross. So here's another clip of the before. As you can see, there are a few spots there. And here is the after. stay tuned if you want to see how I clean the shampooer. Here are the dirty carpet fibers that get spit out of the machine. So I just go around the room checking for any of those and pick those up. And then I'll clean out the machine itself. I used 2 of those containers full of water and only sucked up this much from both of them. Disgusting. So after this, I remove both of those containers to empty. And then I tip the device over and spin the brush around to remove any of the dirty carpet fibers. This takes a while because there's quite a bit stuck in there. After cleaning out the brushes, then you just need to empty the canister of dirty water. And if you look closely, there's a lot of carpet fibers in here also. So you just want to make sure that you have a strainer in your sink so that all that stuff doesn't go down the drain and clog it up. Then I just remove this top piece from the vacuum also. Carpet fibers get stuck in there and it is hard to rinse. Once I'm done rinsing all the parts, I let them air dry outside. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.